Alrighty guys, so here I have a pet grooming kit from UPROOT Clean. I have tried their product before and I liked it, but this is a whole new thing. It's vacuum pet grooming, no mess, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So if you don't know what grooming vacuum is, it's basically all the tools you'll ever need to groom your dog with no mess, because the vacuum will suck it up. Okay, and then of course we have a bag here, and let's put this on the side and then we're gonna unbox everything here. Okay, and then this first one here, so this one here is the UPROOT grooming brush. And then when you, there you go, there's the brush. Yep. Okay, let's come closer. So this is the grooming brush. I like that it's clear. We're just grabbing anyone in no order. And the next one that I grabbed here, this is the UPROOT trimmer. So it's basically clippers. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to charge it. Let's see. Okay, so this one you're gonna need AA batteries. Okay, so I'm glad I have AA batteries. So we're gonna put that there so we can go ahead and grab the batteries in a second. And then the next one I'm grabbing out of here is gonna be the UPROOT cleaning tool. So this one here can, you know when you have fur on your chair, sofas, you can use this as a vacuum to vacuum the hair there. Okay. And then this is the UPROOT cleaning tool. So if you know what UPROOT is, they had a comb like this that you would scrape onto the rug and it'll take off the hair, but now they have the vacuum. So this one here, I really like that it's clear so I can see all the hair going into the vacuum. It's kind of satisfying to see that. Okay. Okay, so this one here, it has a little bit of combs at the end. This is the de-shedder. Okay. And then they do have the names on top of, they have the name right on top there. And the last one, oh, sorry guys, it did come with batteries. That is awesome. Okay, so I do have batteries here that we're gonna put on. And then the last one that I pulled out is the UPROOT Detangler Dematter. So it has a little bit of like a claw, you know, like that. There you go. So that's what we have in there. Okay, and that's all the attachments that it came with. And then now we're gonna pull out the vacuum. So this is the hose, and I like that it's pretty long. It's pretty long. Alright, so it also comes with different size of the clippers. So it has 4 different ones. Probably I'm gonna just use this small one on Navia because she's a short hair. And it also can be used as a dryer as well as a vacuum. So that's one thing good about it. Well, there's many things good about this, but that's a good thing too. And then that's that. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out on Miss Nevaeh. She's gonna hate me, but we're gonna see, okay? Alrighty. Okay, there you go, and then the attachment works like that. So I don't remember how long ago I did shave her, but I shaved her because her hair is not really falling off a lot now that she is shaved. Well, it doesn't seem like it, because before I would carry her and her fur would be all over my shirt. So now it's not like that anymore. Okay, so we're gonna try this one just for a little bit. Okay. So now, since I've demonstrated or reviewed the other parts, we are now going to use the blow dryer on Nevaeh. So we're going to take this part out. Remember, this side is the vacuum and this side is the blow dryer. You know how people are outside using their blower? We can use this too. You know, same thing. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. You can see my hand. You see it? You see that? So we're gonna try it on Nevaeh now. She's okay with this. She's not even bothered by the vacuum, the noise. It's pretty good. So usually she's gonna be bothered by noises, but not this one. And I like it because it's not too hot. It's just right. It's a little bit of heat. So she likes it. And this girl gets moody at times, but this doesn't even bother her at all. I just checking the temperature to make sure it's a steady like heat or, you know, steady warmness. It doesn't get too hot. And it's still the same temperature. So this is great. Look at that. She don't care. She's just cruising over here. Alrighty. So this is really good that it stays really at low heat, but it's still warm. Okay. I'm testing out now is a de-shedder, and look, I did a little bit and there's some hair of hers on there, so I believe this one will be utilized good. I'm gonna make it a little bit higher. I think she likes being brushed. Okay, this one seems to be working good. Look at that. So I like, yeah, I will utilize this one. Good girl. Look at that. And then you just kind of like push that there. See that? I know it's a little bit short. Because she's short hair, so, but there's some that is, you know, it's working good on her fur, her short fur. Ooh, this is good. Because look at that, it's still getting hair. Let me see, 2 hands. Okay. So it is de-shedding her hair, her fur, her skin, not hair. I keep saying hair. But this is good. I never thought I would use this one, but yes. This one, this attachment I will be using. See, so no hair, no mess. Okay, that was a good one too. Okay. So honestly, for this brush here, I might not use this one unless her hair starts to grow out. But I will be using this one. It's really good. Maybe if you have like a dog, like maybe a golden or, you know, one of those dogs with longer hair, this brush is awesome for it. And then this one here is a pet hair remover. You can use this on hard fabrics, like the rug. So this is good too. And then this one, I don't think I'll be using this one on Nevaeh because of her short hair. It's like a little claw. It's probably good for, it says detangler and dematter. So, you know, the dogs with thicker fur, poodles, just dogs with more fur than Nevaeh. This would be a good one. Alrighty, guys. I just want to say that I really like this product. It is awesome. I like that it's clear. You can see all the hair going in. I like that it has a warm blow dryer and a vacuum as well. So it's a multi-purpose 7-in-1 no mess grooming kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys take care. God bless. And I will see you all in my next video. I mean, we will.